It's been running probably 2 or 3 minutes. Gonna let it warm up. Someone's rode on the steering wheel. A little bit of wear on there. That's some kind of tape, like 2-sided tape. I don't know what they had there, but and then it had something stuck on the dash. I'm not sure what. Has this little tear in the console. That tape or whatever. We'll make him get that cleaned off. I don't know. Looks like someone just scribbled on it. Looks like they did have cup holders or something screwed down on top of that console. Didn't go all the way through, but it definitely looks like they had something screwed down there. And then I see where you was talking about, I didn't notice this before, but where it had the tape over the vent. I'm guessing that's where you was talking about, which that can be cleaned off with goof off or something. The detail guy actually should have done it. Floor stretched just a little bit, not too bad. I had some stuff mounted on the floor. There's a piece. This piece here is broke. I'm not sure what was there or what, but anyways, that's there's the VIN number. The bed's in actually really good shape. It open and closes real good. I will take the I'll take it to the small engine guy. The welder will stay running, but you have to leave the choke out. A little bit of scratches there on the fender. You got to leave the choke out just a touch. There's a little dent there. A few little bitty dings there. I'll let it warm up a little bit and then I'll pull that oil cap. Little scratch there. And yeah, these tires are rounded a touch on the edge, which like I say, if you end up buying it, I'll agree to put 2 new tires on the front. A little bit of paint flaked off on the hinge. Probably rock chips got that started. Yeah, they done the same thing over here too. I'm guessing they didn't like the air blowing. Actually, I didn't see this from that side, but with this wire hanging out here, that mount is up off of there. I'm guessing that wire's in the way. I can't hold it and try and push it down. I don't know if that snaps down, screws down, but that is up a touch. I don't know how that goes in there, but a few scuffs on the dash. Bend there in the bottom of the box. But the boxes, the doors and stuff, they feel really good. Got a 3,000 watt generator, backup battery. Like I say, those doors are really nice. They work good. Jumper cables that plug into, I don't know if there's a plug in the front or the back. Just a little bit of paint worn there. There's all the lube stuff. Like I say, we don't check it, but it's in there. There's, looks like a grease gun. 2 different, 2 different products. And then that's the one to suck the old oil out. Paint chip there. Yeah, they didn't do a very good job cleaning this box either. This piece here is off. I need to put that back in there. These leads, I really don't know how these mount, but I touched them together. You can see they arc, so the welder does weld. I'm sure it does. It arced pretty good. It's got those leads. I don't know exactly how that's supposed to be insulated where it doesn't short out. It's got, I just stuck that up there. I guess, I don't know if you hook it up after something. Anyways, there's the bed. Welder fire right up. It just, like I say, I'll take it and get it checked. It won't stay idling unless you leave the choke out slightly. Well, it stayed idling earlier with the anyways, I had it idling earlier with the choke, but it's not right. I'll take it and have him look at it. Nice. The air compressor side seemed to be fine. But while he's got it, he may clean it up, tune it up, whatever. You got to choke it, you got to choke it up there. I don't know if it's still warm enough to fire up or not. I didn't let it run but just a second. So it's set to kick off at 150. Like I say, the doors work really good on it. Doesn't look rusty. Let me get a video with the oil cap off. Like I say, just a little bit of smoke, but not much. So everything should be good on it. Like I say, I'll get if you want to buy it, I'll get the front tires put on it, get the carburetors and tune up on the air compressor and the welder. Everything else should be pretty good. I'll get this uploaded and sent to you shortly. And the back tires, they're okay. I mean, they're war even, but they're probably 60-70% would be my guess. I can see, yeah, but it still has the stock DPF on it. So I'll get this uploaded. There is a scratch there too I didn't get in the first video, or in the first part.